Welcome to this video, where I'll show you how to disable the autoplay feature for the next movement session in the Calm app. If you enjoy using Calm for meditation or relaxation, but want to control the flow of your sessions without automatic transitions, first, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the settings icon. This will open the settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option labeled Autoplay Next Movement Session. When you see it, simply toggle the switch to turn this feature off. By disabling autoplay, you can now enjoy each session at your own pace without automatically moving to the next one. This gives you full control over when you want to continue or take a break between sessions. Follow these simple steps anytime you want to change your settings and enjoy a more tailored, calm experience.